Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video, we will create a list in our list page. In this case, we will add two list item, and this list item will be images. Please note that you can add more elements into your list item like text, icon, shape, etc. Okay, let's begin. Okay, first, we have to create a frame. Let's say you want to create a frame size 414 times 107. Okay, click this frame, then draw add a new frame to the space below the top bar frame. Make sure it's stacked directly below the frame above with their border touching but not overlapping. Well, we want it. Can adjust. Make sure the frame uh, are stacked directly below the frame above with their border touching. Okay, and then next we will create arrange the layer. We will rename the layer. So the frame we will name as a is item 1. Okay, so next we will add a image uh, in the container. So now we will arrange our layer. Once you have added your this container, make sure that you organize your layers on the layer panel. uh, Make sure that you rename the list of container and drag it to the list page top layer name. Drag this and the drag should be like this. Next, sure you drag it over the list page. Yeah, so that it will be moved outside the top bar, and then it's placed at the second level frame when it's on. It will look like this one. In this exercise, we only add an image to each list item. For this, we will use the place image. You can click here and choose place image, and you can find your image visual image. I want to use this one. You can click open. Then you have to click in the frame, set the frame at the edge. Okay, and then you can set the mesh using the properties. You can set You can resize the image by clicking on the any image nodes. Then you can use the shift key to ensure that you keep the original image dimension. Again, it's important at this point that you properly arrange your layer be like this. Your list item, your list item. Then you can, if you want to name, you can double click name. Make sure that you add the edit image layer must be inside the this item container layer like this. So repeat the same process with the next image and the second this container. So you can just copy this one, click on the layer list item one, then Control C, Control V, and you get the second this item. Then you can uh, click the on the second item, then bring down. If you want to change the image, you can just set image. You can use the same step, clicking one and then use image, this one. And you can rename the image. Example, I don't want this the previous image. I can just click on this